Okay, how many times has this happened to you? Got a clogged drain, right? And even that doesn't really help. Okay, so what we're going to do instead is we got boiling water over here, and we got half boiling water, half vinegar, white vinegar, in there, and some baking soda. Alright, so we want to get this down as much as possible. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to first start with some boiling water. And we're just going to use this to kind of prep the area, so to speak. Run this for a little bit. Already sounds better. Alright, and then we're going to take some baking soda in the center. Both of these. Alright. Now the idea is that this one is going to allow air out, so we want to kind of cover this if we can. Alright. Then we take our half baking soda, or half boiling water, half white vinegar, and alright, see if it works. Looks good to me. There you go, folks. Clean your drain with some baking soda and vinegar.